Versatile Infotainment provides thousands of informative videos of our viewers. If you want more informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's go our topic.
With a $200 million net worth, American stand-up comedian Ray Romano is now an actor and writer. The most well-known part of Ray Romano's career is from the popular television comedy Everybody Loves Raymond. Everybody Loves Raymond became one of the most watched sitcoms of its day thanks to Romano's genuine humor and sympathetic portrayal of family relationships. Stand-up comedy was the starting point of Romano's career in entertainment. He participated in the Johnny Walker Comedy Search in 1990, and talk show host David Letterman saw him perform. This led to the creation of Everybody Loves Raymond. In the series, which ran from 1996 to 2005, Romano portrayed Raymond Barone. He was awarded an Emmy for Outstanding Lead Actor in a Comedy Series for his work. Romano has achieved great success in movies and voice acting in addition to his TV accomplishments. He proved his flexibility as an actor by providing the voice of Manny in the animated Ice Age film series. Romano has collaborated with well-known filmmakers on big-screen projects, such as Martin Scorsese on The Irishman, and he has made bold choices in television shows like Vinyl and Parenthood. With the 2019 Netflix release of his stand-up comedy special Right Here, Around the Corner, Romano has also gone back to his roots. Romano's first stand-up special in 23 years was well-received and demonstrated his continued talent in the comedy industry. Highest salary for an actor or episode? For the first 4 seasons of Everybody Loves Raymond, Ray's pay per episode is unknown. However, beginning with season 5, he was paid $800,000 each episode. That comes to about $19 million for the 5th, 6th, and 7th seasons. From these 3 seasons alone, that comes to $57 million. That's an extra $30 million if you think he made only $300,000 in the first 4 seasons. Ray made what at the time was a record-breaking $1.75 million each episode for his show's last 2 seasons. That was sufficient to make him, at that time, the most paid actor in television history. In 2019, Reese Witherspoon and Jennifer Aniston both shattered his record by earning $2 million for each episode of the morning show. But after accounting for inflation, Ray's $1.75 million is equivalent to about $2.3 million every episode in the modern era. In this context, Ray Romano is currently the highest paid actor in the history of television. Ray made $40 million from the 8th season of his show using the $1.75 million figure. The next year, he made $28 million during the shortened final season. Remember that these are the base pay for performing and production only. Ray has already made tens of millions of dollars from syndication deals since he owns a portion of the show's back-end points. For years to come, syndication will continue to bring in millions for him. However, by glancing at their in-production profits. Raymond alone made $155 million in basic income before taxes with a salary of $30, $57, $40, $28. Childhood. On December 21, 1957, Raymond Albert Romano was born in Queens, New York. He and his 2 brothers grew up in an Italian-American household. Eventually, it turned out that a lot of his stand-up comedy routines and skits were inspired by his family life. In addition, he drew inspiration for Everybody Loves Raymond from his own personal experiences as a child and as a husband and parent. When Romano graduated from high school in 1975, comedian Fran Drescher was in the same class as him. Ray Romano attended Queens College in New York to study accounting following high school. Stand-up profession. In the midst of working many part-time jobs and studying accounting, Romano made the decision to give stand-up comedy a shot. Ray Romano made the decision to pursue a full-time comedy career after seeing success on the stages of several comedy clubs in New York City. By 1989, Ray Romano was competing in the Johnny Walker Comedy Search and winning stand-up comedy competitions across the city. Ray Romano's stand-up career began with this, and in 1990 he made an appearance on MTV's half-hour comedy hour. He was a frequent guest on the Comedy Channel as well. Ray Romano's career really started to take off in 1995. He was selected for a recurring part on Comedy Central's Dr. Katz, Professional Therapist. He also competed in the stand-up comedy category on Star Search. Everyone is in love when Raymond Ray made an appearance on The Late Show with David Letterman. It was truly his big break. The show's host was so taken aback by Romano that he pushed for the comedian to have a sitcom of his own. Eventually, this show was renamed as Everybody Loves Raymond. The show was created by David Letterman's own production firm, and it debuted in 1996. Ray Romano won 1 Emmy during the show's run, and the program took home 2 more. Up until 2005, it was one of the most popular television programs. He was recognized as the highest-paid television actor in history in 2004. Ray Romano's own family members served as the inspiration for a large number of the characters on the program. Many of his real-life relatives, including his father, brother, and daughter, have also made appearances on the show. Following his role on Everybody Loves Raymond, Romano went on to star in movies including Grilled, Paddleton, and The Irishman 2019. In addition, he provided the voice of Manny the Mammoth in the film Ice Age, a role he would later reprise in its 4 sequels. Some of the highest-grossing animated films in history can be found in the Ice Age film franchise. Romano continued to enjoy success in television as well, making appearances on programs such as The Office, The Price is Right, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and The Middle. Ray Romano has commitments to recurrent parts in Parenthood and Men of a Certain Age. He plays a major role in the epic sitcom Get Shorty as of 2020. He played Leo Russo in the movie Somewhere in Queens in 2022. Romano also starred in the television shows Bupkis 2023 and Made for Love 2021 to 2022. Individual life. In addition to his career as an actor, Ray Romano loves to play poker and has participated in multiple World Series of Poker events. Alongside Steve Bowditch, he finished 6th in the 2012 at Pebble Beach National Pro-Am, demonstrating his passion for golf. Romano married his spouse in 1987 after getting to know her when he was employed at a bank. Together, they are parents to 4 kids. Romano declared in 2012 that his spouse had made a full recovery from breast cancer. Property. Ray has owned an opulent 10,000 square foot estate on 1.25 acres in Encino, California, since the late 1990s. Based on comparable sales, the mansion is probably worth more than $10 million now. Due to its proximity to the studio, he used this as his primary house when filming his show. He spent $8.5 million in 2004 to purchase a beachfront residence on the incredibly exclusive Broad Beach in Malibu. Today, this house may possibly be valued at more than $25 million. Ray listed this house for rent in August 2023 for $175,000 a month. He spent a comparatively modest $2.1 million for a Venice, California, property in 2017. In 2022, he put this home up for $2.5 million. Nevertheless, it sold for $2.3 million a few months later.